Welcome to English Practice Beginners, your motivational space for growth, success, and real-life English fluency. Every day is a chance to improve, and today we focus on building confidence, reducing fear, and making English a natural part of your daily routine. Take a deep breath, sit comfortably, relax your shoulders. Imagine yourself speaking English without hesitation. This is your safe space. Here, mistakes are welcomed, speed is irrelevant, and repetition is your superpower. Your fluency begins with calm practice, step by step, sentence by sentence. Imagine your words appearing on screen in bright, motivating colours. Speak English confidently today. As you repeat each sentence aloud, feel your confidence growing. Hear the rhythm of each phrase. See yourself practicing at home, outside, at work, everywhere. This visual and auditory repetition sets your mind to absorb English naturally. Your brain begins predicting sentences. Fear reduces. Comfort grows. Each second is designed to boost your fluency and prepare your mind for calm, consistent practice. Fluency starts with simple, everyday sentences. Begin with your morning routine. As you wake, narrate your actions aloud. I wake up slowly. I feel ready for a good day. I stretch my arms and smile. Drink water and describe it. I drink water. I feel refreshed. I am ready. Small actions repeated aloud. Train your brain to think in English naturally. The mind links daily tasks to English phrases. Every brushing of teeth, every step to the bathroom becomes a chance to repeat sentences. Step outside. Real-life English begins here. Greet neighbours. Good morning, how are you? Listen carefully. Respond slowly. I am fine, thank you. How are you? Don't worry about understanding every word. Focus on the main idea. Practice small, polite phrases. Excuse me, please. Could you help me? Each calm repetition increases confidence. Over time, your brain begins forming sentences automatically. Fluency is built in ordinary moments, not in complicated rules. At work or school, beginners often feel nervous. This is normal. Sit at your desk and narrate your actions. I organize my materials. I listen carefully. I ask questions when I don't understand. Speak slowly. Repeat sentences in your mind before speaking aloud. Mistakes are not failures. They are learning opportunities. Repeated daily practice reduces anxiety and builds real confidence. Lunchtime is another opportunity. Speak aloud or to a friend. I am eating a sandwich. I like it. I drink water. These sentences may seem simple, but repeated daily, they shape your thinking in English. Add polite interactions. Please, thank you, excuse me. This daily repetition is powerful. Over time, you notice automatic fluency in short conversations, both casual and formal. Evenings are for reflection and more practice. Walk home slowly. Describe your surroundings. I see the sunset. The air is cool. People are walking. Narrate your actions at home. I cut vegetables, I boil water, I set the table. Speak calmly to yourself or to family members. Repetition in these contexts strengthens fluency naturally. Nighttime reinforces learning. Before bed, recap your day in English. Today, I practiced English. I greeted people, I narrated my actions. I spoke slowly and clearly. Reflect on your progress without judgment. Fluency grows quietly but powerfully with consistent daily repetition. Your mind starts responding faster to English. Words flow naturally. Fear diminishes. Confidence grows steadily. Fluency is not about speed or perfection. It's about calm repetition, daily exposure, and consistent practice. Each repeated sentence, each narrated action builds the foundation for confident English. Gradually, you stop translating in your head. You start thinking in English. Conversations feel natural. Social interactions become easier. Even fast English becomes understandable. Each small step compounds into real, practical fluency. Observation is important. Listen to English in real-life contexts, shops, buses, cafes. Notice sentence patterns, polite phrases, and intonation. Repeat them in your mind. Try aloud. Could you help me? Thank you. Excuse me, please. Authentic repetition accelerates fluency more than isolated study. Motivate yourself daily. Visualize a future where you speak English confidently in all situations. Imagine ordering food, asking directions, or conversing with classmates. Speak aloud. I am confident. I am improving. I am speaking clearly. Each repetition strengthens your brain's memory of English sentences and builds courage. Confidence grows like a muscle. Daily exercise is essential. Fluency is cumulative. Each interaction, small narration or polite conversation, builds your English naturally. Over time, you notice subtle changes. Smoother sentences, faster comprehension, easier speaking. English stops feeling foreign. It becomes comfortable. Fear disappears. Daily practice reinforces this pattern. Consistency beats intensity. 30 minutes of daily practice is more effective than long, sporadic sessions. Speak aloud while walking, cooking, or waiting. Describe your actions. I am opening the door. I am reading a book. I am drinking tea. Each repetition strengthens fluency and confidence gradually. English fluency is not a destination, it is a process. Daily repetition, calm speech, and small victories create lasting results. Practice morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Each moment is an opportunity for growth. Slowly, English becomes effortless. Confidence replaces fear. Your brain adapts. Social interactions, public speaking, and casual conversations all improve naturally. By the end of this journey, you will notice a transformation. Your mind predicts sentences. Conversations feel easier. You think in English naturally. Mistakes become learning moments. Pauses become reflection. And speed becomes irrelevant. Fluency grows in calm, repeated steps. This is your daily English fluency practice. Speak, repeat, absorb, reflect, and repeat again. Step by step, sentence by sentence, your English confidence grows, fear diminishes, and fluency becomes a natural part of your life. Now that we have covered the morning routines, outdoor situations, work or study and home conversations, we are going even deeper, making this practice more realistic, immersive, and lifelike. When you practice speaking English every day, you gradually adapt yourself to real-life situations. Imagine walking slowly through your neighborhood. You notice the sounds around you, birds chirping, cars passing by, footsteps echoing on the pavement. You softly greet people. Good morning. How are you today? Whether the responses are short or long, your focus is on calm delivery and clear pronunciation. You are training your mind to handle English naturally, without pressure, without fear. When you are on a bus or using public transport, the English environment can feel challenging. People speak quickly, announcements come fast, and conversations overlap. But there is no need to panic. You silently repeat to yourself, I listen carefully. I understand what I can. I stay calm. Slowly your mind begins to automatically pick up the main ideas, and you realize that understanding English is not scary. It is manageable. You start noticing patterns, phrases, and repeated expressions, which strengthens comprehension without stress. At work or in a classroom, you shape yourself into confident English sentences. You narrate small tasks. I open my laptop, I write emails, I check my schedule, I ask politely for clarification. Every small action you describe in English trains your brain for fluency. Mistakes? They are simply feedback. Fluency grows when you speak without fear, without self-judgment. Confidence comes from calm, deliberate repetition. During lunchtime, imagine being in a cafeteria. You order politely with clear pronunciation. "Can I have a sandwich, please?" Or "Thank you very much." You engage in polite small talk with the person sitting next to you. "How is your day?" "What are you reading?" This repetition creates confidence, and gradually, social English begins to feel natural. You notice that even small interactions help your mind think in English automatically. In the evening, as you walk home, you narrate your surroundings. "I see the sunset. The sky is orange. People are walking home." This internal narration embeds English fluency into your subconscious mind. At home, you describe simple household tasks aloud or in your mind. "I turn on the kettle, I boil water, I prepare my tea, I enjoy the aroma." Each small sentence repetition builds confidence and reinforces sentence patterns in your brain. Nighttime reflection is crucial. You review your day. "I spoke English today. I greeted people. I narrated my actions. I asked questions politely. I listened attentively." This reflection strengthens memory. Your brain absorbs sentence patterns naturally, making the next day's fluency easier. Now, let's go even deeper by integrating real-life emotions and mental strategies. When you try speaking English, sometimes confusion or hesitation may arise. This is normal. During these moments, repeat to yourself, "I am improving, I am patient, I am calm." This inner dialogue keeps you stress-free. Slowly, fear disappears. Your brain understands that mistakes are not punishments. They are tools for learning. Imagine you enter a shop in the UK. The clerk is speaking fast. Before, panic would rise, but now you calmly respond, "Excuse me, can you repeat that, please?" Or, "I am looking for bread." Notice how you speak slowly but with confidence. This practice develops real-life fluency. You begin to internalize the rhythm of natural English conversation, and it starts feeling comfortable. With friends or colleagues in casual conversations, you use simple sentences. "I am learning English. I practice every day. It is helping me." You notice that people appreciate your calm tone and clear pronunciation. Confidence is boosted and fluency is reinforced. At home, you continue your self-talk. "I boiled water, I cut vegetables, I am preparing dinner." Gradually, your brain shifts into automatic English thinking mode. You start thinking directly in English, without translating from your native language. Integrate reading and listening into your routine. Listen to UK news, short stories, or podcasts. Repeat sentences silently or aloud. "The weather is sunny. People are walking in the park." This repetition develops natural fluency. A deep practice tip is to maintain a diary. Every day, write 5 to 10 sentences about your day. "Today, I practiced English. I walked outside. I greeted neighbours. I ordered food. I spoke confidently." Combining writing and speaking strengthens memory, retention, and verbal skills. Remember the fluency mindset. Fluency is not a one-time achievement. It comes from daily repetition, reflection, calm confidence, and patience. Celebrate small victories. Speaking confidently with a stranger, asking a question in class, or ordering food politely. These small achievements create momentum. Imagine 1 month later. You notice English sentences coming naturally. Short conversations happen without hesitation. Social interactions feel easier. English stops being stressful. It becomes a tool for communication. Final motivational advice for deep practice. Consistency over speed. 30 to 40 minutes of daily practice is more effective than a 5-hour one-time session. Repeat aloud, mentally, and in writing. Your brain absorbs differently each time. Narrate real-life tasks. Brushing teeth, cooking, walking, talking. Stay calm during mistakes. Mistakes teach, they don't punish. Celebrate small wins. Every polite phrase, every clear sentence is progress. Through this process, English gradually becomes second nature. Confidence grows, fear disappears, and fluency becomes automatic. You begin to feel comfortable in social, professional, and personal contexts. By the end of this extended journey, you will notice a transformation. You think in English automatically. Conversations feel natural, not forced. Fear is replaced by confidence. Mistakes are learning practice. Social interactions, public speaking, and casual chats all improve effortlessly. This is your daily English fluency practice. Repeat after me, narrate, reflect, repeat again. Step by step, sentence by sentence, fluency grows, confidence solidifies, and English becomes a part of your life.